So we are checking out something kind of a little bit different today. We're checking out ThinkWrite Technologies. We haven't seen any of their products before, so we're just going to open this up and see what comes in. So right off the bat, we have a nice little guide there, and we have a little additional stuff. Now we've got a couple things in here. Ooh. It looks like they sent us a couple of headphones. So this one here nice. And then we have this model here. So this is their ThinkWrite 200 and this is their 250 model. Okay, so we've got a couple things here on the cords to notice. For one, this is a headset with a microphone. So this little adapter here on the bottom has an on-off for the mic, as well as the volume adjuster right here on the cord. That's pretty cool. This one here, as it doesn't have a mic, that cord just has the audio adapter right there. And these are both wired headphones. And they sent us this to check out. This is a really cool item. This is, I guess, a additional cord that you plug in on the end of the line. And the idea being is that the flexibility of this bottom part here is going to allow it to not get damaged. I do know that when you plug anything that's hard fast like this into a computer, you're just asking for something to get like kind of bumped and broken. So having this little adapter here on that device really gives you that extra protection from things bumping it and hitting it. I mean, look, it's such a smaller profile thing that, like, look how much it bends at. Compared to this one here, this hard fast plastic to this point, this would definitely give you a little bit more room to work with, and then also a little bit of give. So if someone hits it or bumps it, it's just going to kind of move with the person. So that's really cool. As for this model, this is their, except the 200 model. So let's try these out. Those are really comfortable on the ear. They're over the ear, so they actually are going around it. The cups do swivel, which is nice. And from what I've read, they do have a moisture wicking technology to prevent them from getting like disgusting. It's very comfortable. And then this one here. That's really cool. Yeah, I love the designs for the ears because they go around the ear. They really kind of cut that sound out. That's solid. That's really cool. And the headset's adapter is really nice for that kind of up and down. And this is very soft and comfortable. The boom mic placement is fine. Yeah. That's very nice. That's definitely pretty nice. I think these don't glow. They're clearly one color line. That'd be kind of cool if they did kind of glow green and blue, but still really nice. Well, hopefully this kind of helps you guys out. They both have 40 millimeter drivers, so you are getting some really good sound quality on both of these headsets. They are fully wired though. They're not wireless. They're not Bluetooth. But you know, if you're looking for something that's not going to have any audio latency, always wired is better. I know wireless gives you a lot of convenience, and if you have a really high, processor in there as well as the really newest top-of-the-line Bluetooth, you can kind of help reduce the possibility of any latency. But I mean, nothing is going to be zero latent unless you have them directly wired. Well, hopefully this helps you guys out, especially checking between the 200 and the 250 model. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.